Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC. In this video, I'll be talking about National Ice Cream Day. It is a special day to enjoy ice cream, which is a cold, frozen sweet treat. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Tell me in the comment section what is your favorite ice cream flavor. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see what I post on my YouTube channel, and share with your friends and family about Zachary's Lego Club. Happy National Ice Cream Day, everyone!